Welcome to another episode of Kookievision. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a frog. So I'm actually repurposing a cauldron cookie cutter, so I got a cauldron-shaped cookie here and I flipped it upside down. And I'm outlining his back legs, as well as the top of his head with the eyes kind of protruding out the top. And for this outline, I'm using a green royal icing fitted with a number 2 tip, and this is a piping consistency. And next I'm going to flood it in with the same color, this time in a flooding consistency that I have here in a squeeze bottle. And of course I'll use my scribe tool to even everything out and get rid of any air bubbles. And while this green is still wet, I want to go in and give him some speckles. So I've got a white flooding consistency here that I have here in a squeeze bottle. And I'm giving him a few little speckles on top of his head and on his knees. And you'll see that that just kind of sinks right into that green. And I'm going to let this dry completely. And next I want to give him some big googly eyes. I've got a white piping consistency royal icing here, fitted with a number 2 tip. And I just gave him some big eyes there, just kind of keep squeezing until you get it as big as you want them to be. And I'm going to let that dry completely again, just because of things like color bleeding. If you're using black on top of white, you want to give it a little bit more time to dry. And I've got some pink petal dust here. They give him some nice blushy cheeks. And I'm just wiping away the excess with a brush. And I applied it with a Q-tip and just kind of rubbed it into his cheeks until I got the nice pink look that I wanted. And I also have some black piping consistency royal icing here with a number 2 tip. And I did the middle pupils of his eyes and gave him a nice big smile. And I'm also using my piping consistency green again, and I'm re-outlining his legs there. And I'm going to also outline a few little rough front legs as well with the 3 little toes. And this is a number 2 tip as well. And there we go, we've got a big group of frogs here, perfect for spring or summer or some animal sets. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like me on Instagram and on Facebook. Bye!